you might want to add a title to your video. So let's create a title. When you're in the editing tab, go to your toolbar and choose the last tool. It should look like the letter T. Another way is by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Then go to your program monitor and click on the center. There will appear a red box, which means you can start typing. If you're done, you could reposition it by clicking the first tool from the toolbar, called the selection tool. Now click on the text and drag it around the screen. To scale down or up, just go to Effect Control, and under Graphics you see Text. Open the text box and then you can change the text settings, like font and size of the text. Let's apply a little fade in for this title. Go to your Effects tab and open up Video Transitions. Then open up Dissolve, and in this case I will use the Cross Dissolve effect. Select it, drag it to the beginning of your clip and release to apply. There we go.